The 135th China Import and Export Fair, Canton Fair, is one of the largest and oldest comprehensive international trade fairs in China. As an international trade platform, the Canton Fair attracts buyers and suppliers from all over the world, displaying various commodities from China and other countries, covering machinery, electronics, home furnishings, textiles and clothing, food, medical equipment and other fields. At the same time, it provides various industry forums and seminars to promote industry exchanges and information sharing. We exhibited a series of laser equipment at the exhibition, such as water-cooled welding machines. Compared with other similar products, our products are lighter, have faster welding speeds, and more beautiful welds. There are also air-cooled welding machines with multiple functions. One machine has multiple uses, which greatly improves product utilization and reduces manpower and material costs. Now welcome to our exhibition. Follow us to experience the grandeur of the exhibition. Our booth number is 19.1G16. You can see exhibitors from all over the world actively trying out our equipment. There are professional technicians on site to provide full technical support. Even if it is your first time, you can easily weld perfect results. We have prepared a large amount of materials for you to try. Our professional sales staff could give you a detailed explanation to ensure that you fully understand our products and technologies. We have focused on the laser industry for many years and have close cooperative relationships with many well-known brands. We have large-scale factories and assembly workshops. Experienced assembly workers who have been in the industry for many years assemble the equipment to guarantee the quality. All products are subject to final debugging and testing by the Quality Inspection Department before leaving the factory, and can be packaged and shipped only after passing the test and being signed by the production supervisor. Our machines are meticulously packed in fully enclosed wooden crates, guaranteeing they arrive at your location in perfect condition. This robust packaging ensures maximum protection during transit.